warna pigmen. Ini Mas Bro, kita memakai warna yang mana request dari teman-teman untuk bagaimana cara pencampuran warna. Ya ini warna putih saya campur dengan warna pigmen. Ini warna pigmen ini banyak dijumpai di tempat-tempat sablon penyablonan, tempat sablon itu. Ya ini Mas, ini pakai warna biru kita campur ya. Kita pakai warna putih. Sekarang kita kasih air, Mas Bro. Nah segini, ya. Dan ini Mas Bro, ini warna merah bata. Merah bata ini saya membuatnya yaitu kuning dengan merah dicampur biru dikit. Nah, seperti ini. Ini nanti kalau ditambah warna kuning jadinya seperti coklat gitu. Lihat Mas. Seperti ini Mas Bro. Nah, ini nanti kita bisa buat untuk lapisan dari tanah ini. Agak hijau kecoklatan ini. Seperti ini. Ya Mas Bro. Ya. Oke. Ini Mas Bro, ya ini medianya, dan yang ini mau saya mural 3 dimensi di sini di pinggir jalan raya, dan cuaca agak mendung sedikit gitu Mas Bro, tapi ini kelihatan panas gitu. Bagaimana prosesnya? Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Jumpa lagi dengan Pak Bob dari Vlog. Kali ini Pak Bob akan membuat 3 dimensi lagi di lantai, yang mana nanti motifnya yaitu ikan lumba-lumba menerobos lantai gitu Mas Bro ya. Bagaimana prosesnya? Jangan lupa like dan subscribe, tetap semangat, tetap jaga kondisi kesehatan. Oke, ayo kita simak videonya yuk. Nah seperti ini Mas Bro ya, ini dasaran atau sketsanya yaitu ikan lumba-lumba, yang mana di situ itu mulutnya, yang itu kepalanya, yang itu siripnya, yang ini sirip dari sirip tangannya gitu Mas Bro. Nah seperti ini Mas Bro ya. Jadi Mas Bro nanti bisa melihatnya proses pembuatan mural 3 dimensi seperti ini. Ini dari dasar dulu ya. Ayo kita lanjut.
Yo, yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes. I've got an itch I can't scratch, I'm missing a piece that completes a whole part of me, an open wound scar to see. Everybody come here, gather round. Welcome to the freak show, the best in town. What the hell's wrong with me? I don't get along with anybody, honestly. I've been living in my own head constantly. Thoughts jumbled round, think I need a new lobotomy. Wait, all these thoughts are too negative. I don't wanna get lost in the sedative. Gotta show them what I got, I'm competitive. You know I'm about to go off, I won't let them win. I'll take a stab, I wanna chase a bag. I wanna weigh, I can change all the things I lack. I gotta face the facts, I got a taste in that. Got me obsessed with the rest, I got an itch to scratch. Going now, I'll give up everything. The venom in my brain, running from the past, wanna escape my pain. I just wanna be a better person, I deserve this, I just wanna break these chains. Always asking for greatness, true to myself, I never fake it. Seen too many once, that is so they get famous. And when I say the truth, most really can't take it. In spite of everything I've been through, I'ma make it. Fake friends, but on my downfall is toxic. Day one, started the outlaws for profit. Now all I do is write verses, no talking. All I do is put the work in, no option. This was everything I ever wanted, created a legacy off of me, just being honest. And the fake ones hate, but it's all to no avail. They wanna see me lose, but you know I never fail. I'll give up everything, daunting life. If I can see my dream, lay things right. 'Cause I'll do anything, want a reality. Going now, I'll give up everything, daunting life. If I can see my dreams, make things right. 'Cause I'll do anything to make what I
sekian dulu video dari Pak Bob dari kita vlog, yang mana hasil akhirnya seperti ada di bawah saya itu. Nah seperti ini ya hasil akhirnya. Jangan lupa like, share, dan subscribe-nya. Tetap semangat, tetap jaga kondisi kesehatan. Oke, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Sukses selalu Mas Bro.